One.
Hey Mac, I thought I'd explain to you with a video about the machine. So let me just go over really quick this one machine. This first machine is an automatic, a fully automatic espresso machine. It has one manual thing you need to do, and that is the steaming of the milk. Now the reason I mentioned this is because in the email I suggested to you that very likely your employees are going to have different types of milk that they want. They probably have their own oat milk, almond milk, regular milk. So with all those options, what you could do is people can have their own milk, which is also expensive, so maybe the office doesn't have to buy it. You can just provide the coffee. So people can have their milk in a refrigerator, and then they can bring it to the espresso machine to steam it. And I'm going to show you really quick how that happens. So first of all, the machine is very simple to use. You basically press a button here, and we're going to do a shot of espresso. A shot of espresso takes about 30 seconds, and it's the basic drink to prepare the other drinks, the cappuccino or the latte. So there you see how it's pouring. It automatically shuts off, and you have your espresso. All right. Now I can also do a double espresso, so I press this button here, and so I'm going to press the double espresso button here. And it's going to fill this glass because that's 2 shots plus 1 at the beginning. That's 3 shots, 3 total shots. That gives you a full 3 shots of espresso right there. Okay, so that's the espresso. Now my suggestion to you was that anybody can have their own milk. They just need to use a pitcher and steam it on their own. So people would have to be trained on how to do the steaming if that's what they want. Some people can heat their milk in the microwave, and that's fine. They can use the microwave to heat their milk if that's what they want to do. But if they want to steam it to get the foam for the espresso and the latte, then we would provide you with a pitcher like this where people can pour the milk, and then we can steam it. So let me show you how the steam works. This is the steam one right here, and basically there's a button here that says steam. If you press it really quick, you'll see how it steams. It starts steaming right away. So I'm going to put the milk here, and I'm going to steam it. The nice thing about this system is that the steam one automatically shuts off when it reaches a certain temperature. So you don't have to worry. You can shut it off now. I can shut it off by pressing it, or it shuts off just like that once it reaches a temperature. The other important thing that we should train people is that after the steam, you do have to wipe it off just like this. You wipe it so you don't have the remnants of the milk there. And then you steam it a little bit to flush it. And then you can pour the milk on the espresso, right? That's where you get the cappuccino and the espresso. Now, I could run it, you could use a bigger cup or a ceramic cup, whatever you guys decide. I'm gonna use a ceramic. I'm gonna do a double shot. So the grinding takes a little bit, but if you see here, up here, you have 2 containers for coffee. Each one of these holds 2 pounds, so that's about 4 pounds of coffee that you don't have to worry. You probably have to fill it, once, twice, 3 times a week maybe at the most, just filling in the beans. So you have your espresso, and then you add the milk. And depending on what you want, you can get a latte, so that's right, there's a latte. There's also foam in there for people who want the cappuccino. So, 2 things on this machine. This machine is 220, so you do need 220 volts for the machine. This machine also connects to the water line, so you do need a water line that draws water from your water source. So you do need to connect this to the water, and it's a 220 machine. Those are the 2 things that you need for this machine. The cleaning is very simple. This tray here catches all the coffee, and this can just be dumped So that's as much as the maintenance that you need to do. We would probably maintain this for you once a month. We can come by the office and make sure everything's running carefully. So this is an automatic machine.